tappat takten alla Fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Små på stort, det har vi alltid gjort.
Hey there, I hope you all are doing good today. My name is Vaidehi and welcome to my YouTube channel Brown Life. Now you must have seen the title, but let me just give you a quick context about this video. Recently I was traveling a lot, I was eating whatever there was on my plate. Also it's been 2 months I haven't been to the gym and I need to get back to my healthiest life ever, and this is what I'm going to do in this video. So welcome to a healthy life reset video, and yeah, without wasting the time, let's just start with the video. शुरुआत करेंगे by stretching my body to the fullest. Now because it's a healthy life reset video, I want to start my morning by stretching my body, जो effectively आपके body को alert करता है, blood flow increase करता है. It also helps us with our body stiffness, and doing morning stretches every day improves your flexibility. I have not been working out since 2 months, which has decreased my body's range of motion. And doing morning stretches regularly will help you with your flexible body movement. Next step is to get in some fresh breeze. It is said that morning air is much cleaner and less polluted. Morning air and freshness आपके serotonin level को increase करता है, making you feel happier and relaxed. It also helps in reducing inflammation, clearing your lungs, reduces stress and anxiety, and boosts energy level. Next step is to have turmeric infused warm water. I have been drinking warm water every single day, but infusing turmeric has many health benefits. Since it's a live reset video, I also want to take a look on my gut health. While turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties which will help me improve my gut health. आपके toxins को flush out करने में help करेगा. Regular drinking will also support your liver function, and turmeric being rich in antioxidants will help you with your skin's health. Turmeric में curcumin है जो आपके हेल्थ के लिए बहुत beneficial है. But here's a disclaimer. हो सके तो इस पानी को straw की हेल्प से पीना because it can stain your teeth. If you also want your skin, gut and body benefits, drink this water every single morning. Next up is to practice body cleansing internally and externally. Starting off with the first thing, I have mentioned this already that I love doing oil pulling. A lot of you have recommended me to use mustard oil or sesame oil, but just in case you don't have them, coconut oil works the same. This oil pulling technique will help you with your oral hygiene, activating your facial muscles, and this continuous squishing motion is considered a technique to flush out all the toxins from your gut. This technique cleanses your body both externally and internally, post which you can brush your teeth and clean your tongue. Since we are talking about body cleansing, there is no best way to follow Abhyanga, which is a great way to improve blood flow in your muscles. People in ancient times used to do Abhyanga before taking shower. इससे आपकी skin dry नहीं होती, आपकी body अंदर से detox होती है. It also calms the nerves. It also has anti-aging benefits and eliminates body impurities. Another best practice to cleanse your body from within is to submerge your body in morning sunlight. सुबह वाली धूप आपके body से bacteria kill करती है. And since I am done with Abhyanga, my body will absorb vitamin D from sunlight, which will help with my bone and muscle health. And the last ritual to cleanse your body is connecting yourself to the universe. Chanting Om will help you with clearing your mind and improving imagination and creativity. It creates a rhythm in our breathing which drives energy and increases vibrations in our entire body from head to toe. If you are dealing with stress and anxiety, chanting Om will also help you. Next up is to activate the gut. Since we are sleeping for 6 to 8 hours, our body goes through overnight fasting. Having your breakfast within 30 minutes of waking have numerous benefits, which is why it's always said that your breakfast should be as healthy as possible. Healthy breakfast replenishes your glucose level, restarts metabolism, and also keeps your insulin levels in control. Healthy breakfast इसलिए भी जरूरी है because your empty stomach absorbs much needed nutrients that your muscles and your body and your tissues require. And our next step will require a lot of energy, so a wholesome meal is important. So the next step is resetting the space. How can I not talk about this thing? When we talk about resetting our life, we talk about starting fresh, which also requires resetting your space. While the world around me was celebrating Diwali, I was busy traveling and working my ass off. While this video wasn't making, I made sure to dedicate my time to clean my space because it's been more than 2 weeks I haven't changed my sheet, more than 3 weeks I haven't cleaned my furniture, and more than a week I haven't taken care of my plants. And I'm also ashamed to tell you that it's been a month I haven't wiped the floor. Every time I clean my space, it automatically balances my life. Entire month living in a messy space contributed to the feelings of irritability and dissatisfaction. If you want to bring order in your life, improve your routine and quality of life, you need to clean your space. Next up is to practice beauty rituals. It's a no secret I have been posting hell lot of glow up routines on my channel. Since I started my day healthy, I want to end my day on a very positive note. I quickly applied some oil, massaged my scalp and gave myself a head to toe shower. I also followed a good skincare routine in order to make my skin look more healthy and hydrated. Moisturize my body with this plum moisturizer which hydrates and makes your body smell like a cupcake. My favorite beauty ritual has to be painting my nail. It's just like adding colors to your boring life. I'm obsessed with red, maroon and brown tones. Maybe that's why my channel's name is also Brown Life, and I truly feel being a girl is a blessing. It was almost 4 o'clock and now it's time to do some brain dump. I started my day on a very positive note, cleaned my space, and now it's time to clean my brain by writing down all the things that was there in my mind. I wrote down the script of today's video, some new content ideas, also did some budgeting, and now I'm sorted for the week. And finally, it's 6 o'clock in the evening and now it's time to go to the gym. As I told you already, I have been eating anything and everything, and it's been 2 months I haven't been to the gym. I always had a dream to build a dream physique, but I truly understand we also have money to make, run a family, travel the world and do much bigger things in life. Although my ultimate goal has to be keeping myself as healthy as possible. These past 2 months I have involved my body into yoga, pranayam and body stretching, which kept me healthy and mindful. This entire day went so good. I took care of my health, I cleansed my space, I went to the gym, did an amazing workout, had very wholesome and nutritious food. And if you also want to bring this healthy change in your life, make a plan, dedicate a day or a week to understand what needs to change. And I really hope you will also thrive for better. And that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please do the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.